Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 5 quick basic Mac keyboard shortcuts. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer and a keyboard. We are now ready to start the tutorial. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to a Word document. Let's just start from fresh. Click on a blank document. Now let's type something. For this video, we'll just type computer science videos. Let's now highlight, increase the size of what we have typed on screen. The first basic shortcut from the keyboard is Command A. So this allows us to highlight everything on screen. Number 1. Command A allows us to highlight. Number 2 is, let's use the first command, Command A, but we only want to highlight what we have typed previously and not now. So computer science videos, Command A to highlight, Command C to copy. It is now saved in memory. Bullet point number 2. Command C to copy. The next one, number 3, Command V allows us to paste. Before we do anything, let's move on to command number 4. Command S, which allows us to save the document or anything we are working on from any other application. Command S, save to the desktop. If we quit Word for the moment, we can use a command. However, we will highlight the document using Command A, or if we were to do Command A, that would highlight everything. We just want to highlight a section. Command C, Command V to copy. Now let's delete the duplicate using Command Delete. So that itself has now gone. Open up the Word document we were working on. Next command, next keyboard shortcut, Command Delete. Quit Word. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.